Hello everyone, Nasser here. It's been a while I haven't made a video on Brent crude oil, so I think it's time for me to make one as I see a wonderful opportunity on this. You might remember on my last video I was talking about how oil could potentially fall quite dramatically. How wrong was I? Unfortunately, suddenly we had this Russian-Ukraine issue come out and boom, everything just changed. So that's the dynamics of commodities like crude oil really. On your technicals, on your price action and stuff, it might look like one thing and then suddenly there's some geopolitical issue and things just turn around. But hey, that's that. So I'm looking at Brent crude oil. Obviously what's happened was that it broke above the 100 level and shot up to 140 or nearabouts. But I'm not too happy the fact that it didn't make a new high compared to 2008 levels. Let's see, one day. I'm not sure if it will zoom out into 2008. Let's see. Okay, no, it's not giving me 2008 levels on this chart, but I do remember I was there in 2008 around, and we saw crude oil around $140 a mark. So I'm not too happy with the fact that it hasn't actually exceeded that with this sudden run up. So what I would imagine is there will be an opportunity for crude oil to go back up and exceed that, and I'm seeing just the right opportunity now. Crude oil has pulled back to the key 100 level, which used to be quite a strong resistance, and quite clearly it's very likely to serve as a support here now. And as the price is descending, I see some the price action is telling me there's a weakening going on. I would imagine crude oil is most likely going to find support around $100 and start reversing back up, and this time I would expect crude oil to exceed the 140 level, possibly to around 145 or even $150 a barrel. I can't quite calculate exactly how high, but it's most likely going to be above $140 a barrel. So wonderful opportunity there, going from $100 to $140 a barrel. That's $40 on Brent crude in quite a short space of time. Actually, I don't imagine it will take too long to do this. So let's stay on the long side of crude oil for now. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate you following my analysis. Please do not go and trade based on this analysis. I highly recommend you watch my previous videos, see how those analyses worked out, if they were fruitful or not, and make a judgment on my accuracy rate, and only then think about trading. I'd really appreciate it if you could click the subscribe button down below and possibly click the bell icon as well. And please do share this analysis. There's a lot of money in the markets. There's enough for everyone to have a piece of the cake. So share this analysis and help each other out.